Alright, you guys, my stupid camera for back here sensed me walking around and it sent me a notification, and that stopped my video. Freaking technology, right? Anyway, where I'd leave off. Yes, I was explaining that this was this year's flower bud right there, and then it just threw off these branches right here. You got 1, 2, 3, and then I think it's gonna throw out another growth flush, probably like this big, and that will stay until till January, until it can push out some flowers. All right. So this second video right here is gonna be like an update, because I don't have the software yet to go ahead and put them together. But so as I was saying, this may look like a lot, and if you're the first time grower of fruit trees like mangoes and stuff like that, don't freak out like I did in the beginning, because it's totally natural, totally okay. And I'm going to show you something real quick. So if you look at my big queen, you see that most of her primary branches go to the left. Yeah, because that frost we had 2 seasons took away all the branches that were coming out over this side. And these little guys right here are actually what developed from when I cut the ones that are that dried up, and you can see the remnants. There's one that used to be there, there was one right there, and then there was another one down here, and so on. So she may look like this, but you can see she made up for it. She busted out some branches right there, which came out to the side, and that's what plants and trees would normally do. They'll try to even themselves out, for balance. They're not going to be just one-sided. But as you can see, she's still got plenty of branches and leaves. All right, and some of them I didn't have to cut, like this one, for example. It's a short branch. It's got a tip right there, 2 little branches on the end. I'm just going to let it go, so that next year it's definitely going to develop into flower buds. And up here I got little flushes right there of growth. See that light purple color? Let's see if it looks okay. The lighting, yeah, we can just catch it. See right there, you got some other growth flushes. But anyway, like I said, this is a lot. Now I'm gonna go ahead and stop picking this up, put it in my waste bin, so tomorrow they pick up yard waste, and that way I can start getting rid of it. But anyway, oh, I got some bonus footage. I got nice pineapple flowering right there, and got another one right there. I have some that I'm waiting to pick. There's one there, and there's one way over there, full size. They're gonna be ripening pretty soon, hopefully. Still waiting on my bananas to flower and give me a bunch of bananas. That's the mini version right there. Still waiting on those guys. I got some sugar cane right there. This is my avocado. Same principle. Cut the top off, it's gonna branch off, and then the trunk will get thicker, and then once it gets nice in size, I'm gonna transplant. Little bonus footage. So from the mangoes I've been eating, and different varieties, all I did was take the seed and the peels and put it underneath this pile of leaves right here. And look at that, Mother Nature, natural. Popping up some new ones, which I'm gonna go ahead and let them grow big enough, and then I'm gonna scoop them up, put them inside of a pot, and then save them for my brother and sister that are moving down here. All right. Okay, you guys. So that's pretty much it. Basically, that's how you want to prune your mango trees. Like I said, last year I pruned it in September, and then I just let it go, and it kind of had like 4 growth flushes before it started to bud flower buds. But like I was saying, come up from the growth flush as close as you can to the bottom of the next growth flush and cut it right there. So wherever the leaf joint is right there, it's going to come like 1 branch here and 1 branch here, and then probably one on this side too, right there. All right, you guys take care. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And always don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can get more notifications of upcoming and uploaded videos. Thank you and have a good one.